Hello guys, today we are going to study lesson 3, which is still the basic of AutoCAD. So today we are going to study about modify. So lesson 2 we study about draw, and today we are going to study about modify, which is there are 12 points that you will learn today. So when you open the AutoCAD, it will show like this, and then you click on this to start your task. Okay, so we are going to study about the first is move. Yeah, normal move means move someone to somewhere. Example, I draw a rectangle and then I use this move. So first click on this and drag it somewhere you want, or you type number, example 10, enter. See, easy. Or you move it without tag number somewhere, or anyone here, where you want, here, yeah, that's all. And next, number 2, copy. Easy. So first click on this and click copy. Where do you want to copy? Example, oh no, I'm sorry, delete. Oh no, click on this and copy. Where you want copy? Okay, again, draw again. Okay, example, the draw circle. Click on this, copy. My computer is very slow. See, I work again. Click on this, copy. Click on this. You see, you copy anyone. Again, click on it. I click again, or right click, repeat. See, that's awesome. That's all. Rectangle. Or copy. The next is rotate. How to use rotate? Example, I draw a rectangle for you. F8 for straight line. Click on this. F8 to release. Example, I take this up again. I delete this one. Just example, and I write about join, enter. Okay, so I wanna rotate this. Come on, click on it, and click on rotate. Where you wanna rotate? See where you wanna rotate. Example here. Or click on it again. Click somewhere you want. Here, or middle. Yeah, that's all. And then how to use mirror. So I rotate this. Example. So how to use mirror? To use mirror, click on this and use mirror. Yeah, see, mirror. No. So it's mirror here. The same, see. See. Or you want a mirror circle. mirror. It's difficult for mirror because it's so cold. Oh, that's all. Simple. I show you again. Click on this. Click on this mirror. Click here or here. See, it come up another task. Click no. That's all. What is number 5? This is number 5. Okay. So I will delete this. How to use array? So I draw this. I click F8. Click here. Is it? Click this and this, and I click array. See, array. So how many column you want? Example 1, 3. I want 2. And between, how many between? It's 500 between. I want to be 400. Example. Oh, sorry. 400. Total. How many total? How many total you want to be? You want to be only 10. And how many rows? This is 3 row. I want it to be 5 rows. And between, how many between? I want to be 200. Click. See, this is a array. Click on it again. You want to edit. So you want to edit, yeah. Totally, how many? 500. Level 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 10, yeah. 2 rows. I want to be 1 row. This is 1 row. And you want to be 2. But I want to be 10. See 10 now. Oops, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's all. And how to use stream. Stream. Yeah. Example here. Example, I draw a rectangle. To use stream, click on it and stream. You want to delete this, or this, or this, or this line. Click delete this line. So it delete. Easy, yeah. And how to use fillet. How to use which one? Fillet. Fillet. This is fillet. So example, you draw a rectangle. Click on this and click fillet. This is fillet. So you want to be what is dimension? At 0.2. Enter. Or radius. Radius example 5. See 5. See fillet, it's 5 between this again. Just for rectangle again, or this. Click on it, click fillet, click on it, fillet, polyline and radius. How many you want? 2, yeah, that at the moment 2. Or you want to change fillet, polyline, yeah, radius you want to be 10. Simple 10. What? Polyline want to be 10. Again, click on it and fillet. You click polyline and radius 10. Enter. See, it's 10 now. It's 10 between these 10. If you're not sure, click on it. 5, 5, 5, 10. Yeah, 5, 5, 10. And next, use arrest. How to use arrest? Use arrest. Click on it and arrest. See, delete. The same. Click on it. Click on it. Arrest. Delete. Okay, simple. And how to use offset. So this is offset. I'm sorry. How to use offset. So to use offset, example, you draw a rectangle and you click on this. You click on offset. How many you want? It's about 10. Do you want 10 up or inside? You want inside, 10 inside, or 10 outside? So I want to be 10 outside. And another one is 10 inside. Yeah, that's cool. Again, click on this, click this, click offset. So what number you want to be? So you want to be 50. Enter. So you want outside or inside? It's up to you. Offset. Yeah, that's all. So next, scaled. Scaled. This is okay. I select on this, and this is scaled. So what number you want to be? Example 50. See. Again, select this. Scale. See. Size. What number you want to be? 50. So everything will move to 50 scaled or smaller. Again, we'll move this. Okay, again, scale. Okay, you want to be smaller or bigger? I want to be 20. It's 20. See? So it's smaller. This is called scale. Again, this. Click on scale. So you want to be 20, 50, 100. So it's 100, yeah. And then stretch. So click on it. This is stretch. That's mean move. See, it's the same move. Stretch. Stretch. Yeah, stretch. And the last one, exploit. How to use exploit. So to use exploit, delete. So this is the same, this rectangle. It's not exploit. It's the same. So when you click on this, so this is link the same. So one exploit this from this, from this, from this. Click on it and exploit. There. See, it's this different. See, different. This is separate from this. This separate from this, and this is separate from this. So you can move this. See, that's called exploit. What? Okay, that's all for today. That's about modify. We have 12 points today. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe for more for the next lesson. Bye bye.